Alright guys, I just did a lot of sawing and measuring, but I mean, we have got the back half of the van, I think, completely done. I really like how this is looking. It's also making it like look a lot more like a camper now, and it's insane. But yeah, so we measured all of that out. We have extra support here in the back because the battery and the water tank are going to go there, so there's going to be a lot of weight on those 2 points. We left a little gap right there so that we can run cables through. We're going to be kitting this all to the ground, and right here where I'm standing, there's no support beam because there's not going to be a lot of weight here. There's going to be more weight here. So I'm super excited because if you look here, this is going to be under the bed, so there's not going to be a lot of weight there. The bed's going to be resting on that, so nobody's going to be walking there, but these are where the benches are going to be, so it needs a lot of weight there. I'm now going to remove all of these boxes and start working on the front half because I'm super happy with how it turned out. And this is going a lot smoother than I thought it would be, and I think the wood's measuring up perfectly. I'm measuring everything twice to make sure it fits, and it looks great. So see you guys later. All right, y'all. I just got the front end of the van, got the floor fitted out, got it all measured up and cut out, and it is looking amazing. Look at this. This is really, it's starting to put into, I mean, perspective what it's all going to look like. We got it all measured out. It's not completely symmetrical because we have to work with the little dents in the floor and all that, but it's looking really good. I'm super happy with how it's turning out. It's going a lot smoother than I thought it would be. I'm also not wasting nearly as much wood so far. That's all the waste wood we have, so I'm super happy with how it's going. I'm gonna start see if I can start gluing this down to the ground. I think we're ready for that. It all looks super good. This is all, it just needs to be weight bearing, and I mean, this all looks super strong and sturdy, and this, yeah, these had to be precise measurements. It's all looking super good, so I'm gonna start kitting these down, and I'll see y'all once it's all glued to the floor. Alright guys, I just realized nothing recorded for today. Well, it did, but really short videos, and not everything went as planned because the storage on my phone was full. So, you know, you live and you learn. We gotta fix that. But yeah, hopefully this does record and you guys will be seeing this. I got the floor put in. This is just loosely on there right now. All I did was so that there was some weight pushing the things down. But all the wooden beams are glued or kitted into place, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. If I walk on this, the floor is super tight, it's not loose at all, and I feel like I could bolt anything into this, so it looks super good. I just had to let this kit dry now, and then we had to put insulation in between and run the cables, but that shouldn't be an issue. Super happy with all the work that I did. I am noticing that I'm getting out of breath and I'm a little short of breath, so I'm afraid I might have corona as well. But that's an issue for another day. Right now we got this all done. Super happy with how it turned out. Tomorrow, get some more work done hopefully. The sun's starting to set, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to a new day. It is, what is it, Tuesday? I just got back from my corona test, so I'm a little stuffy and I feel some snot, but we'll see how that goes. It is raining really softly, but it is raining because it's the Netherlands. It always rains. But I was planning on working with the insulation. It doesn't really matter if the insulation gets that wet because it is a special kind of insulation. It's not fiberglass insulation, so I should still be able to do it, but it's just I was planning on taking out the entire floor and putting everything outside as I work on it, but because it's raining, I don't want these things getting soaked in the rain. So things are going to go differently. I'm first going to do the back half. So I'm going to take this out and then put the insulation on. And once I do the back half, I'm going to move everything to the back and then do the front half. Or if it's dry, then I'll just take everything out. So we'll see what the weather's like once I'm done with that. I hope this is gonna go easily. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I don't know how easy it is to cut this stuff because I'm gonna have to put it in between the pieces of wood. So yeah, I hope that all goes well, and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it's the next day here. I got some work in last night. It was pretty late. It was starting to get dark, but it was finally dry at night, and it's the next day here and it's still wet and rainy, and it's not raining hard, but it's barely raining enough that I can't do this outside. So again, I had to move everything into the van, so everything's here. I almost got all the insulation laid down. Just need to do those 2 squares and then put some here. But I need to go to the doctor soon for a problem I had with my knee, but I'll get that all figured out. So I won't have that much time today. I just wanted to get a start before I went over to the doctor's. Looks super good. I'm probably tonight gonna finish those 2 up and then put the other floorboard in here. And I want to bolt it down with some screws onto these wooden beams. It's all looking really good. The installation's laying down really smoothly. It's really nice stuff to work with. Now I just hope that it also keeps the van warm. I did this. I'm going to do these later, and then the walls and all that, I'm going to do that later. Right now I'm just doing the floor so I can get the floor in there and get everything sorted out. And other than that, I'm super happy with how it's all going. So I'll see y'all later. Alright y'all, it's early Friday morning. I'm going to get an early start on today. I want to get as much done as possible today. And I think it's going to work out. Don't have that much planned today, so I just have to get my hair cut in a little bit. But besides that, I'm going to be working on the bus. I plan on running some cables through the ground and doing some other installation work and just some small stuff, but I'll let y'all know about that when I get there, because first I need to open up this. This came in the mail a couple days ago. You might have already seen it. I haven't opened it yet because when I picked it up, it sounded like it was broken and the packaging doesn't look too neat. This is a window, which is going to be going right there. Instead of that panel, there's going to be a big window. But when I picked it up, it sounded like there were a bunch of glass shards everywhere. So I'm going to open it up, and then hopefully it doesn't look like, hopefully there won't be glass shards everywhere, but I think there will be. So we'll see that in a little bit. Here, I'm gonna let y'all have a look, because this is what I see. Those are all little glass shards. Yeah, that does not look good at all. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, because I'm gonna send some pictures of this to the packaging company and the shipping company, and hopefully they can figure something out, because I don't think it's gonna fit in the van like that. I don't feel like gluing all those pieces together. So I'll figure that out. But for now, just gonna work on the rest of the floor of the bus, and we'll figure this out later. Alright guys, just got back from my haircut, and it's a lot shorter than it was, but I do like it, and it needed to get freshened up a little bit. I did get the cables and the wires run through. I just used gaps that were already there. I was going to drill holes, but there were already some there, so got it through here, because the battery's going to be coming here, the battery and the converter. So all the power is going to start here and then go over here, and then we're going to have a pump and outlets over here, or cables that go over there. But this is just the main cables that had to be run through the ground. The rest is all going to go through the walls and the roof. So that should all be fine. Yeah, it was pretty easy. Also, I put some wooden support beams here because it was a little loose here. Super sturdy now. I mean, this floor ain't going nowhere, I can tell you that. This is just solid as a rock. I mean, for the rest of the guys, it was a really pretty short day, short week. Not short week, actually. Did a lot this week, but it was a short day. It's really cold, really windy. It was raining all day. It finally dried up, and it's just freezing over here. So I'm gonna have to stop for today. Tomorrow, depending on the weather, if it's raining, I won't be able to do much. But if it's a little dry, I finally want to get this back bar taken off and painted. So hopefully I can get that done tomorrow. And if not, I'm gonna see what I can do in the van. Maybe some insulation on the walls or on the roof. Let's hope that all goes well. But yeah, I'm super happy with how it's going, guys, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all. It's the last day of the week. It's Saturday. It's a beautiful day here. The sun is shining. There's not a lot of clouds in the sky, but sadly, it is still really, really cold. So I've decided I'm just gonna scrap the painting for now. I'm gonna do that way later, towards the end of the project, when hopefully it's nicer weather and it's a lot warmer here. So I'm just gonna leave the painting. I need to do these again as well, because the paint's letting off. When it's this cold, the paint doesn't grab on well. It doesn't lay down smoothly. This side's really bad. I mean, just look at that. So we're gonna do that way later in the project. I still definitely want to do it, but just way later. So change of plans. Today we are going to be working on the roof, and I'm going to be framing up the roof and putting up insulation for the roof. I just came back from the store, and I bought beams that are going to go in between here, and I'm going to bolt them onto here and here, and then I can insulate the roof. But first I'm going to build a frame for the roof vent that came in, because I built a frame, wasn't happy with that frame. I used different types of wood. It was thicker on one end, thinner on the other. Didn't like that, so I bought wood that should fit perfectly in between here, because this is where it's going to go. It's going to be a perfect square. So I'm going to start off with that. I got screws that are going to, it's going to look a lot better, and I'm super happy with that. So we're going to get working on that as soon as we can. So I'll see y'all later. Alright guys, I just got done building the frame, and I had to stop because I don't think I could have made a more perfect fit if I wanted to. I mean, look how flush that is. It is perfect, and then on this side it just fits perfectly. Hi! Alright guys, so that fits really well. It's still pretty windy, so I hope you guys can hear me. I'm gonna get in the van, but I did want to show y'all my little helper, because I think you've probably seen her running around a little bit. She likes to help a lot when I'm working on cars and when I'm working on this van. She loves helping. Senna. Her name's Senna, named after the famous Formula 1 driver. And she is just the sweetest thing ever. She's our cat. She's about a year old now, and she just loves helping me around doing chores and stuff. So you're going to be seeing a lot of her. She likes climbing on the cars and making them all dirty, but that's part of it. She'll always be here, no matter how cold it is. Even if it's raining, she'll sit outside with me, so get ready to see a lot of her. All right, guys, it's the end of the week. It's the Saturday. We got a lot done this week. We got the insulation on the roof just laid down. The thicker stuff, it's harder to work with. It's harder to cut. It's harder to get through. It's a lot stickier, I feel like. But like everything, once you get used to it, it just takes some getting used to, and then it gets easier. It feels actually like if I just put my hand up against it, it feels a lot warmer than the rest of the van. So I'm sure it's gonna stay nice and warm in here. I really hope it does. And for this week, we got the floor completely laid out. Super happy with how this is all going. So far, everything's going pretty smoothly. Had a couple of problems, of course, as always. But I've been breezing through it, so I'm super happy. Next week, we should be able to get a lot done. I mean, the way if it keeps going at this pace, then I mean, we should be done pretty quickly. So yeah, next week, stay tuned, guys. I'll just let me know if in the comments down below or just anywhere what I can do better or what you guys want to see more of. Again, I'm new to this. This is only my second video. I hope you guys are enjoying it, and I'll see you all next week.